Hello again guys for another tutorial. I'm back few days or months or years, and I have a tutorial to show you how to use the tiller command in Minecraft. Let's jump right in the tutorial. And we are in. Yes, this is my server because I'm using my server online. And let's show this tutorial, guys. Simply, oh my god. Simply um click this message button and you gonna wait guys. Sorry for coughing. This is the command. You can copy this. Okay. This this guys is very very easy tutorial, and this is quickly minute tutorial, and see you for our next video guys. Please subscribe if you are new to this channel, and 40 thank you for 40 subscribers guys. I gonna shout out to